Hi everyone, welcome back. We are learning AB-730, which is Microsoft Certified AI Business Professional Beta. And here we have already learned about the three modules, that is what is generative AI, employee Copilot chat, draft and refine business and business content using M365 Copilot. So today we'll be understanding how to analyze and visualize data using M365 Copilot. So if you have missed the previous videos, you can just go ahead and search as Goms Tech Talks here, where you can find all the content, and also these videos are there in Udemy as well. You can learn from there. Okay. So what we'll be learning today in analyze and visualize data using Copilot is what we'll be understanding how to use Excel, like because we everyone not has we don't have the time or technical expertise to analyze complex data set. So that's where Microsoft 365 Copilot in Excel and the analyst agent come in. So these AI powered tools are designed, like to help you work smarter by transforming raw data into meaningful insights with just a few prompts. So in this module, we will be learning about, like use Copilot, how to use Copilot to in Excel to summarize your data, and use Copilot in Excel to generate a visual representation of your data, and also explain how the analyst agent process data and generate actionable insights. So this is what we're going to see today. So I have the sample data. I'll be uploading the sample data. If you want, like if you want, just let me know. It is there in the resources as well. So as a business professional, we will be having a lot of data set with the quarterly sales figure or the product performance. So you may need to analyze your data, right? To create a chart for the leadership presentation or summarize the key insights all under a tight deadline. So that is where exactly the Copilot Excel can only work with your files that are saved on OneDrive. Additionally, your data must be formatted as a table or supported range of the Copilot read. So what do you mean by formatted as a table? So here you have the data, right? Okay. So this is formatted as a table. How will you know that this is formatted as a table? So just go ahead to this table design and see whether it has table name. Okay, it should be formatted as that. If it is not having the name, you can make it. Okay, how to create something like this? Like you can select some columns and you can go and make it as format as table here. Okay, and then give this or any format, it will be formatted as the table. This is the first condition. Your table should be formatted, like your content data should be formatted as a table. Okay, so this is your data which I have already published, so which I'm using it for this demo. Here you can see on the right side you have Copilot, right? So just click on this Copilot. You have two options, chat and app skills. So we'll be discussing only about chat. So once you click here chat, you can find that you have the same thing, like this is your professional office data, work data, and this is your web content. And here you can see you can upload the data as well. Okay, so here we can just go ahead and write it. Okay, you can simply go ahead and write it, and here you can see GPT-5 is on and all these things are enabled. So now let us go ahead and type here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and type. Once you keep your cursor, you can see there are some options which are popping up, like analyze this workbook and give me interesting data insights. How can Copilot help with this book? Summarize the data in this. So simply just click on this, analyze this workbook and give me the interesting data insights. I'm just going to work with the Copilot to see. So here it is asking me like key metric summaries, total average growth rate. Yes, please create visualizations. Okay, it is asking me to upload the workbook because I am using the ground data, right? I will just go ahead with the web data and I will search for it. Okay, so you have to upload your data because your data should be in the OneDrive. That is what I told. It is for safety. Okay, let me just make it in my OneDrive. So what I'll do is I'll click autosave. Okay, so it is saving my data in my OneDrive. Okay, it will take some time to upload. Now you can see that, you know, add work content. It's construction data, right? Yes, construction project data. So with this, I'm going to ask that about my content. Analyze this workbook and give me interesting data insights. Okay, I'm just pressing. So let us see what Copilot is going to give me. So it is analyzing my data. Thank you for sharing your workbook. Here is the insight. So here you can see key strengths and trends. Material cost ranges 101 to 198. Labor cost, all these things, it is finding me the key strengths. Okay. And it is asking me, would you like me to detail charts or a deeper dive into any specific contractor or a project or the cost category? So then I can ask for the question, show total concrete by contractor. So I'm just entering this. Let's see what it is going to give me. Okay, so it is creating a proper visual for me here. Okay, so this is the one. The total concrete usage by contractor, Sharma Constructions. What is this? Okay, so if, and also it has created the visual to me, right? And you can see here that it is, if you want to download this PNG or if you want to copy the code, you can do that. Okay, so this is how it is creating me these things for me. And if you want to create a bar chart, for example, and you can copy the preview. Okay, and I think you can come and paste it here. Your preview is available. You can, like if you want to minimize this, you can minimize this and keep it. Okay, so this is the one. And you can further ask, like, create a bar chart, or you can say create a line chart. For line chart, we need okay dates. Line chart of quarterly sales trends. Okay, so this is the line chart of the quarterly sales trends. It is analyzing. Here is a quarterly sales trend. It is showing me that 2025 first quarter, what is the sales trend, total sales happened. And then, okay, I asked to create a line chart. Yes, it has created the line chart here. Can you see? This is the line chart it has created and also the table. Okay. So even if you wanted to, refine your prompt, you can just say add labels. The labels are already added, so you don't want to refine it. It's already there. Okay. You can even create a formula. Okay. So it's very simple. You can even create a formula. Just go ahead, and then just type calculate the percentage increase from increase of material cost. Okay. Okay, I'm just asking calculate the percentage increase of material cost. So it will go and calculate that. It will give me the increase of a material cost. Okay, so it has calculated the, like it has calculated my percentage changes in the material cost from Q1 to Q2, contractor on what is the percentage change, and it also shows the insight. So if you wanted to add this in your, like PowerPoint, you can also do that. Okay. So this is the Copilot which is available directly in your Excel. Now let us see analyst agent. Okay. In your, like in your Copilot, you have analyst agent. Where it is? So if you see, if you click here, this is your analyst agent. You have to go to this m365cloud.microsoft.com and then click this analyst. Once you can see this analyst, this analyst agent, first of all, this is an AI powered assistant built into Microsoft 365 Copilot, which will help you with analyzing the organizational data from source like Excel sheet, database and cloud storage. And also it provides insights using a chain of thoughts, reasoning, identifying the trends, outliers, and the key metrics. So this is basically easy to read reports with visuals such as chart, tables, and everything. Okay. So with this, you will learn a lot. With this analyst agent, you will be learning a lot and we will see how it works. Okay. You can go to the navigate agent and again, you can upload that file. So I'm just going to use that same file constructions. So you can see that what are the trends you see in the uploaded file, which variables are correlated and how much. Can you visualize the correlation? Okay, so you can attach the file. It can be a Excel file or a CSV file or a JSON file. It may be anything. So you can just say highlight. So see, it is doing something for me. It is loading the content, coding and executing, previewing the sheet, everything. It is showing this. So this will give you a prompt highlighting the key trends in the sales performance. If you want to try highlight a key performance in the say highlight the key trends in the sales performance, all these things you can see. You can even more refine the prompt, like identify the top performing product, visualize the sales growth, compare sales performance. So all these prompts, I'll be sharing it in a separate file. You can just ask me. Okay, so it's there in the downloadable resource as well. If you're watching it in the Udemy course, so you can see this. So this entire course is also available in the Udemy. You can also make use of that if you need a certificate towards the end of this course. Okay, it is executing. Let us see. We have completed, the introduction part. We understood what is this introduction, and then we understood, like data workflows with Excel. We understood all these things, how to create a formula and chart. Now we are in the analyst thing, and then we will go to the knowledge check. Okay, let it complete. I think we can just complete the knowledge check and come back. Let it execute the code. So what is a key requirement for Copilot in Excel to analyze your data? If you're correct, the data must be formatted as a table or a supported range and saved on a OneDrive. Okay, how can Copilot in Excel help you visualize your data for a leadership presentation? This is the right one by creating charts from your data with a prompt and allowing you to refine them. What, what is the primary function of the analyst agent in the Microsoft 365 Copilot? So, if you're correct, it is to analyze organizational data, generate visualization, and provide actionable insights using a chain of thoughts reasoning. Which of the following is the best practice when prompting Copilot or the analyst agent for data analysis? To be specific in your questions and refine your analysis with follow-up prompts. So let us see how much we have completed. Yes, we have completed these things. So meanwhile, we'll go and check. Yes, it has created the key trends. Okay, so time frame, data span, cost, what is the cost, monthly total sales, correlation analysis, visualization. Can you see the visualization it created? It has created a very excellent visualization here. Okay, and then cost over a time. It has created a cost and also the drill down by contractor or the project. So it's really wonderful, right? You know, so further, if you wanted to ask, like drill down the contractor or a project, if you want to create a scatter plot, if you want to forecast future cost or generate a dashboard, or even if you have anything in your mind, you can ask that it will be created. So the data which we are using in this m365.cloud.com, it is completely safe. Okay, because it is the AI model is not trained based on the data which we are importing, because we are using under the organizational account. Okay, so try this and let me know if you any prompt which really excites you. Please leave that in the chat. I'll be happy to see that. So by the end of this module, we have addressed the challenge of streamlining the productivity and the data analysis for business users by introducing M365 Copilot in Excel and its analyst agent. Okay, we have also explored how these AI powered tools simplify the task, like analyzing data and generating actionable insights. And we also understood that how the M365 can be used to analyze and generate insights based on your Excel data, and also Excel to gather trends from the web-based sources, and also to analyze the data and understand how the responses vary based on if you are prompting something, how it is understanding. Yes, so we have two more modules to complete. In the next module, we will be learning manage meetings and collaborations using M365 Copilot. And the last video will be define your role you want. I'll meet you soon. Take care. Bye bye.